Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk. Let's get
The
wrenching.
engine OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V is a power unit with the marking X16XEL or Z16XE. The first release of the motor was in 1994. It came to replace the motor C16XE. Technical characteristics. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V is a developed model Z16XE. The motor received a twin-shaft blockhead. The diameter of the inlet valves is 31 mm, the exhaust valves 27.5 mm, and the thickness of the stem is 6 mm. Characteristics of X16XEL camshafts are as follows: phase 241-233, lift 8.5, 8.0 mm. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V by the popular X16XEL, which was strangled by the head from the low-volume fellow, produced a full-fledged X16XE. These engines differ camshafts, large intake ducts, intake and exhaust manifolds, as well as the brain. Characteristics of camshafts on X16XE: phase 241-241, lift 8.5, 8.5 mm. From its predecessor C16XE, the X16XE motor differs from the EGR valve, installed to meet -2 Euro standards, intake manifold, and DAD. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V name characteristics: manufacturer St. Gotthard, engine plant make X16XEL, X16XE, Z16XE, Y16XE, displacement 1.6 liters or 1598 cc, type injector power 101 HP, fuel petrol valve train 16, valve number of cylinders, fuel consumption 7. 2 liters, environmental standard Euro 2-4, piston diameter 79 mm, resource 200-2, 50,000 km. Engine OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V. Maintenance. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V engine is serviced at an interval of 15,000 km. Recommended maintenance should be carried out every 10,000 km. So, let's consider a detailed technical service card. TO1. Oil change, oil filter replacement. It is carried out after the first 1,000 to 1,500 km of mileage. This stage is also called running in, because the motor elements are lapping. TO2. The second maintenance is carried out after 10,000 km of mileage. Thus, the engine oil and filter are changed again, as well as the air filter element. At this stage, the engine pressure is also measured and the valves are adjusted. TO3. At this stage, which is performed after 20,000 km, the standard procedure of oil change, fuel filter replacement and diagnostics of all engine systems is performed. Maintenance 4. The fourth maintenance is probably the simplest. After 30,000 km, only the oil and oil filter element are changed. Disadvantages and problems for the OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V engine. There are 2 typical disadvantages that almost all vehicle owners know about. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V timing replacement process: increased oil consumption. In this case, it is most likely necessary to check and replace the oil caps. The problem is in the ERG. The way out is to clean the valve. Conclusion: engines of the OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V series are quite reliable and have a high resource of use. Maintenance of the power unit should be carried out every 15,000 km, but experienced motorists recommend after 10,000 km. Variety of choice of power unit, from motor volume to power, will not leave indifferent, no motorist. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V engine. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V maintenance. OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V4. In conclusion, the OPEL VECTRA B 1.6 16V engine stands out for its balance of performance and efficiency, making it a solid choice. for drivers seeking reliability in their vehicles. With its robust design and decent power output, this engine has proven to be a dependable option for many. Whether you're considering a used Vectra B or simply interested in automotive engineering, understanding the nuances of this engine can enhance your appreciation for Opel's craftsmanship. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this exploration insightful.